My version of Camarón Rebozado. Meron po ako rito kalahating kilong shrimp. Binalatan ko po ito at tinanggal ang kanyang ulo at itinira ang kanyang buntot. Then hiwain lang po natin ng ganito ang shrimp and then alisin po natin ang mga bituka. And then lagyan ko po siya ng slit sa bandang tiyan to flatten our shrimp. So repeat the procedure po until all ingredients used up. Then transfer into a bowl, season with ground pepper, salt and seasoning granules. Mix to combine and marinate for 30 minutes. Then after that, coat with flour, dip in beaten egg, and coat again to our breadcrumbs. And then deep fry until golden brown. So ito na po ang ating Camarón Rebozado na pwedeng ipang ulam, ihain sa handaan. Then i-transfer lang po natin siya sa plate with kitchen towel or strainer to drain excess oil. And then serve po natin siya with our favorite dipping sauce. Thanks for watching. Bye!